Why is Sukuk profit rate considered halal and not interest? Imagine investing in a way that aligns with your values and still earns a return. That's what makes Sukuk so appealing in the world of Islamic finance. But why is the profit rate on Sukuk seen as halal and not interest? Let's break it down. In Islamic finance, Sukuk is a type of investment that follows Shariah law, which forbids riba or interest. Unlike traditional bonds, Sukuk represents ownership in real assets or projects. When you buy Sukuk, you actually own a part of something tangible, like a building or a business. This is a big difference from bonds, where you are just lending money and earning interest. The profit you get from Sukuk depends on how well the underlying asset performs. For example, if the Sukuk is backed by a rental property, your returns come from rent payments. If it's linked to a business, your profit depends on the business's success. This means your earnings are tied to real economic activity, not a fixed interest rate. Another key point is risk sharing. When you invest in Sukuk, you share in the risks and rewards of the asset. If the project does well, you earn more. If it doesn't, you might earn less or even lose some. This sharing of risk is important because it reflects fairness and justice, core principles in Islamic finance. Shariah scholars have examined Sukuk structures carefully. They confirm that Sukuk complies with Islamic law because it involves asset ownership and profit sharing, not interest. The profit rate is not fixed or guaranteed, but varies based on the asset's performance. This makes it permissible under Shariah. In the global Sukuk market, governments and companies issue Sukuk to fund projects that are compliant with Islamic principles. Investors, both Muslim and non-Muslim, see Sukuk as a trustworthy and ethical way to invest. It provides a halal alternative to conventional bonds, especially in countries with large Muslim populations. So, the reason the profit rate on Sukuk is considered halal is because it is linked to real assets and shared risks, not interest payments. It encourages productive investments and aligns with Islamic values of fairness and justice. That's why Sukuk continues to grow as a popular option in the worldwide Islamic finance scene.